Friends, so today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how the drag feature will be work in the Figma. So like I have already created one small Figma um, interaction. So this is the drag feature which we have used in this tutorial. So let me showcase you quickly so that you guys can have an idea of what I'm going to achieve in this tutorial. So like I have created the small drag carousel effect in the Figma. See, so you can just drag left any one of the card, and again you can just drag it, and the rest of the other card will be visible from the card, and you can see on the top you can see the progress bar as well. So let me showcase you again. So this is the uh, drag functionality which I'm going to showcase you how it is going to work and how it is going to be create. So let me showcase you again. One, you can see the progress as well, and you can see the card left drag animation. Boom, boom, and whenever you hit on any one of the card, then it will be expand or like a zoom in zoom out effect. So it will be increased automatically once you hit on it, then it will be cover whole screen, and anytime whenever you go back you can hit it, then it will be collapse and expand kind. You can say the collapse and expand this thing, and anytime, and this is the question, you guys can attempt it, and on the top you can see the progress bar, and on the type tick bar, these are the options you can user would be able to, but that's not a concern for this video. This is so for this video I just want to showcase you how I have created this drag feature in this Figma. So let's start. So let me close it. So I have created few of frames on the bottom, where you can see I have created three card. You can see over here I just adjust it on the screen. So let me start the interaction how drag feature will be. So I have already created the component on the top, you can see that, and here it is. So this is the animated loader, so easy in. So I just use it, and I just use I'm using this component for this progressor, so I'm not going to explain how I have created so far. But yes, let me start. Boom. So I'm going to select it. So basically on the left side, the important thing I just want to tell you is that, which most of the designer not following the hierarchy of the Figma. So like whenever you are creating any kind of design or interaction, please focus on the layering, because layering is a very important. If you are not focusing on your layering, then you will lose the interaction. You would not be able to achieve that particular animation or interaction. So that's why most of the users not following what the layer hierarchy. So this is very important. So on the left side you can see I have created these on the top you can see that these three groups, and on the bottom the I have created proper naming the one card, second card, and third card. So I have rearrange on over here. On that I didn't create the complete or endless drag functionality, swipe functionality over here. I just want to showcase you how it will be going to work in a different manner. Generally most of the designers not using in this kind of carousel view, because might be there's some challenge while developing this uh, this thing. And let me create the you know uh, create the interaction. For that, let me uh, give some space in between these three cards, and yeah. So let's start. So I can just simply hit on it, go to the interaction panel, and just use drag and smart animation. it's up to you, you can choose any one. So like gentle, quickly bounce, slow, linear, easy in. So I just use over here slow, or it's up to you, so whatever suits you. And whenever I drag it, then it will be automatically this card will be goes out from the screen. And if I drag it, then this card will be goes out automatically. And this is the last step. I in the future, in the next video, I will be showcase you how we can achieve without creating any component this drag or swipe interaction in the in my coming videos. So, and whenever I hit on any one of these kind of these start button, then I can jump on that particular area, a particular screen, like this and like this. So for the showcase, I'm just add a one interaction over here. So I just, whenever I hit on it, I will jump to the first frame so that I can showcase you how again and again the interaction. So let me start. So how it will be going to let, I think it should be fine. Yes, it's working perfectly fine. This is not working, I don't know, might be I didn't add. Oh yeah, that was my bad. So I forgot to add the drag functionality, drag feature over here. And once I hit on choose drag, yes, it's working fine. And anytime I can go back, I can just, why it's, whenever I hit on it, why it's showing something like this, because there is some animation effect. Yeah, smart animation already on. If I hit on I choose instant animation, then it will be automatically jump to the first frame, and I can showcase you how it will be going to work. So whenever you are going to create this kind of interaction for your client, or for your any for your team member, or then you have to uh, basically create uh, these things. So like you can just click on it and you can just jump on the first frame, you can just, so it will get an idea. So your client or stakeholder get an idea how the interaction will be going to work. So that's why I use the instant animation on tapping on it. And on the top you can see the progress bar as well. I can see those, so basically these are the questions. And I just and whenever hit on any one of the card, then you can see it will be expand automatically and with the animation. And whenever you go back, oh, I forgot to add the interaction to go back. Let me add over here. So this, and let me close it. It's, and this is for second, and this is for first. So let me play it again. Yes, 1 2 3 start, and go back. Oops, I think I didn't use the smart animation, that's why it's happening. Let me use the smart animation. Okay, and smart animation. So guys, whenever you create any kind of interaction, so you need to think, you need to keep in your mind, firstly the layer should be organized properly, and the interaction, whatever you are adding animation, smart animation, then you should keep in your mind uh, it should be perfect. Or you know so like I just want to tell you how it will be going to work. So like whenever you hit on it, the hit on start, then this is the same frame which I use over here. So this is this one is third card, and this is also the three frame. So that's why it's this animation is going to happen. If you required how I did create this kind of interaction, whenever you hit on any card, that it will be expand automatically, I will let you know in my next video. Please you can comment me, or you can just let me know, so that I can create a video for you, and you guys can learn all these things. Whatever I have to explain to you, I will teach you. I will tell you how the interactions and animations is going to work. So it's very important. I need your feedback, I need your comment. Please let me know, and I will create these kind of video, these kind of helpful video for you, so that you guys can learn fastly. Thank you.